As you scratch your head wondering what to post, you can't help but feel like you're running out of ideas and that your content is starting to feel stale and unoriginal. You're not alone in this struggle, and the truth is, creating social media content that goes viral and builds loyalty is one of the toughest challenges you'll face as an entrepreneur or freelancer. Welcome to another Klug video. Today, we're going to explore the world of AI-powered social media content creation and how you can use it to save time and increase engagement. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide on how to use AI to create viral social media content that resonates with your audience and builds loyalty. We've done the research and tested the tools, so you can trust that the advice we're sharing is based on real-world experience and results. Section 1. The struggle is real. As an entrepreneur or freelancer, you know how hard it is to come up with new and exciting content that will engage your audience and drive sales. You've tried every trick in the book, from brainstorming sessions to scrolling through social media for inspiration, but nothing seems to be working. The truth is, creating social media content that goes viral and builds loyalty is a tough challenge, and it's one that requires a deep understanding of your audience and what they're looking for. You're not alone in this struggle, and many of your peers are facing the same challenges when it comes to creating engaging social media content. In fact, using AI tools can help create and schedule posts across multiple social media platforms, according to Zapier. Section 2. The power of AI. So how can you use AI to create social media content that goes viral and builds loyalty? One approach is to use AI to generate ideas for post topics based on trending keywords and industry themes. Tools like Metaspark AI can help you launch virtual events and experiences in mixed reality, increasing user engagement and driving sales. For example, a luxury apparel brand used Metaspark AI to launch a virtual Runway show in mixed reality, increasing user engagement. Another tool, Mutiny for Social, can help you show different hero outfits to different users based on their past purchases. Section 3. The discovery. As you start to explore the world of AI-powered social media content creation, you'll begin to realize the potential of these tools to save you time and increase engagement. One of the key benefits of using AI is that it can help you create repeatable content formats, such as Marketing Myth Monday or a 60-second growth tips. This approach can help you build a loyal following and increase engagement, as your audience will know what to expect from you and will be more likely to share your content with others. Additionally, AI can help you focus on AI-assisted content rather than pure AI-generated content, which is easily detected and downranked by social media algorithms. By using AI to assist with content creation, you can ensure that your content is high quality, engaging, and resonates with your audience. Section 4. The shift. So, how can you start using AI to create social media content that goes viral and builds loyalty? The first step is to identify the tools that are right for you and your business. Once you've identified the tools, you can start using them to generate ideas for post topics and create repeatable content formats. Remember, one viral post is luck, but a series builds loyalty, so focus on creating a consistent stream of high-quality content that resonates with your audience. By using AI to assist with content creation, you can ensure that your content is high quality, engaging, and resonates with your audience. Section 5. The transformation. As you start to use AI to create social media content, you'll begin to see the benefits of increased engagement and loyalty. Your audience will start to respond to your content, sharing it with others and driving sales. You'll be able to focus on the creative concept and brand message, while AI handles the complex parts of content creation. Remember, AI handles the complex parts. You focus on the creative concept and brand message. By using AI to assist with content creation, you can ensure that your content is high quality, engaging, and resonates with your audience. Section 6. The after. In conclusion, using AI to create social media content that goes viral and builds loyalty is a game changer for entrepreneurs and freelancers. By using the right tools and focusing on AI-assisted content, you can create a consistent stream of high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Remember, one viral post is luck, but a series builds loyalty, so focus on creating a consistent stream of high-quality content that resonates with your audience. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can start using AI to create social media content that drives sales and builds loyalty. Don't forget to subscribe to Klug for more AI productivity content and tips on how to use AI to save time and increase engagement. The struggle of creating social media content that goes viral and builds loyalty. The power of AI in creating social media content. The transformation that occurs when you start using AI to create social media content. By using AI to create social media content, you can save time, increase engagement, and drive sales. And we hope this video has given you the tools and inspiration you need to get started. If this saved you time or gave you an edge, subscribe to Klug. We post AI productivity content every week. Hit the like button if you learned something valuable today. What's your favorite AI tool for social media content creation? Let us know in the comments below.